How you doing, art lovers? Up here, got a canvas. I did it and didn't like it, so I cleaned it all off and tried it. And I got a bunch of old paint here that I put in a cup. I mean, it's just a mixture, a bunch of old paint. And what I think I'm going to do is a flip and a drag top thing on it. And we'll see what comes out. I'm trying to decide if I want to go that way or if I want to go this way. Alright, let's start in this corner. We'll go this way with it. See, I can flip this without making a mess. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I've used that pour cup 4, 5, 6 times, maybe even more, but I think now we're going to poke some holes in it. Get the paint flowing. Come on. Ew. That's coming together, I hope. Oh, that bubbles. Popping right out that bubbles. Wow, look at the cells. And there's no silicone in any of that paint. I haven't used silicone in a while. So there's no silicone at all, but look at all the cells that's popping up. And all the air bubbles going away. Alright, give that a breather. Oh, running out of room on my shelves here. Man, all the cells are gonna, if I tip this over, all the cells are gonna go. Look at all the cells over there. Alright. We tip it a little this way. Catch that mistake I made. touch up some of those blacks right here. So then we keep all that negative space. But while I was tipping it, a bunch of stuff knocked off. Check this side. Alrighty. Get that contamination out of there. Alrighty. See what else we can bring up. Do it with a torch. Lacing it there. Looks like we have another contamination spot. Looks like that dark blue had some dried clumps in it. Alrighty. Tilt that just a little bit and see if we can cover that spot up. Oh yeah, perfect. Bring her back to center. Ish. Am I still on my... Looks like I'm still on my things. Oh, there it is. Alrighty. Get these gloves off. I moved it a little bit. Oh, might be one more spot. Yeah, there he is. Oh, those are just air bubbles. There you go, art lovers. Take your old paint, just spread it out. That looks cool. I mean, I got lacing and I got cells. A lot of lacing over in the white. I like it. Looks pretty cool. Old paint turned into a masterpiece. What do you think? Leave it down in the comments below what you think. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know I'm uploading new videos. My home page there's all kinds of links, and like, share, comment, tell your friends. I invite everybody to come to see what I do. Till next time, get out there and paint something.